اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Ma'am, no, I didn't went to Mumbai. I didn't went to Mumbai or I went to Mumbai. Ma'am, I not know you understanding. Yes, I am understanding that your tenses are not clear. Let me take you in the world of tenses. Hello Khadija, today I will help you in learning tenses with few examples. So get ready to learn tenses. Tenses are words that are used to refer time. Let's go to the world of grammar. बैठो यहाँ. I am outgoing tense. I am also known as time. I rule over the entire universe. I have 3 lovely daughters. One is Miss Past, the middle one is Miss Present, and the youngest of all Miss Future. Hey, I am Miss Past. I rule over the entire past. Let me introduce my first daughter. Simple past tense. I am simple past tense. I help people when they talk about one action which took place at a particular time. Julia traveled around the world. Let me introduce my second daughter. Past continuous tense. Hey, I am past continuous tense. I help people when they talk about an action which was going at a particular time in the past. For example, she was not sleeping when he came home. Now meet my third daughter. Past perfect tense. I am past perfect as people often get confused about my usage. So listen carefully. I help people to talk about an action which took place before and on a direction. For example, Julia had already written a letter before I came. I know you all are very curious to meet my fourth daughter. Past perfect continuous tense. Hey, I am past perfect continuous tense. I am not as useful and as popular as my sister, but I too have my own identity. When people have to talk about one's action which was going on for a longer period of time, somewhere in the past. For example, Julia has been writing a letter. Meet my second sister, Miss Present. Hello, I am Miss Present. I rule over the entire present. I have 4 cute and lovely daughters. They also have their specific roles to play. My first daughter is Simple Present. Everybody knows me very well. I am Simple Present tense. I help people when they talk about their routines, likes, dislikes, hobbies and facts. For example, my father goes to gym every day. Now meet my second daughter. Present continuous tense. I present continuous when you all talk about actions which is going front of your eye. For example, I am performing that. Meet my third daughter. Present perfect tense. Hi, I am present perfect tense. I join past with present when you talk about an action which took place in the past but the fact of present is still there in present. For example, I have seen that movie. Now meet my fourth daughter. Present perfect continuous tense. I help you all when they talk about an action which yet to take place. For example, Sana will write a letter. Hi friends, I am future continuous. I help you all when you talk about an action which will going on future. For example, Sana will be writing a letter. I am future perfect tense. I have to express the idea. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time. In example, Sana will have written a letter. For example, he will have done it by this evening. As my mother told you, I am future perfect continuous tense. I assist you all to show that something will continuous up until a particular event for 5 minutes or for 2 weeks. Example, I am eating vegetables for 3 months. Jazakallah is now clear in tenses. Jazakallahu khairan kaseeran.